In the vibrant heart of New York City, here at Ashcan Art, we've been hearing a question more and more often. With AI creating stunning images, can artists still find jobs? Is art school relevant? It's a powerful question reflecting a fast-changing world. But our answer is clear: yes. Art school is not just relevant, it's more crucial than ever. AI's creative capabilities are astonishing. It can generate images, compose music, and even craft narratives. It's a tool, an incredibly powerful one. But here's the key: AI is a tool. It is not and cannot be a replacement for unique human creativity, critical thought, or the profound skills you develop in a dedicated art education. So why does art school, particularly a program like ours at Ashcan Art, remain absolutely indispensable? Number one, cultivating vision and concept. AI can execute a prompt, but it lacks personal experiences, emotions, or a unique voice. Art school teaches you how to truly see, to interpret the world, and to imbue your work with your meaning and purpose. This is a human spark that resonates, something an algorithm simply cannot replicate. Reason number two, mastering the fundamentals. Before you can truly innovate, you must master the language of art. From drawing and painting to sculpture and design principles, art school provides the structured environment to build an unbreakable foundation. These skills allow you to be in control, to direct AI as a powerful assistant, and to create truly original work rather than being limited by a machine. Reason number three, the power of human mentorship. AI can't explain why your composition needs tweaking or guide you through expressing complex emotions. Our instructors at Ashcan Art are experienced mentors. They provide personalized, constructive criticism, share real-world industry insights, and help you forge your individual artistic voice. The human connection and guidance are simply irreplaceable. Reason number four, community, collaboration, and networking. Art is often a shared journey. In art school, you join a vibrant community of peers. You'll learn from each other, collaborate on exciting projects, and build a professional network right here in New York City. Relationships that provide support, foster growth, and open doors no algorithm can. Reason number five, powering on with AI and tech. At Ashcan Art, we embrace new technologies. We don't fear AI. We teach you to understand its capabilities, its limitations, and how to wield it as another powerful tool in your creative arsenal. Learning to prompt, refine, and direct AI models is a crucial skill taught within a deep artistic context. Reason number six, adapting and innovating. Just as photography didn't eliminate painting, AI won't eliminate the need for human artists. Instead, it will create new roles. Artists who understand both foundational principles and emerging technologies will be the most sought after. Think of creative directors for AI content or artists who integrate AI into groundbreaking mixed media practices. Your passion, your unique perspective, your ability to tell stories and evoke emotion, these are uniquely human. AI can generate images, but it can't generate your vision. At Ashcan Art, we empower you to develop the core skills, critical thinking, and human connection that AI simply cannot replicate. If you're passionate about art, if you have stories to tell and visions to share, then art school is more vital than ever. It's where you develop the skills and confidence to lead the future of art. Ashcan Art offers pre-college portfolio preparation courses year-round. Learn more about our courses at ashcanart.com and see accepted art portfolio examples on Instagram at ashcan.art. And please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.